Mobile games are really cool to play, but sometimes you want to play it in a bigger screen. Hello everyone, this is Roland Louis. On this video we will talk about how to connect it and how to play it on a TV. Before anything else, I just want to thank you for clicking on my video today. But before we proceed, please like and subscribe so I can able to continue giving you more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be updated every time I upload new video. Before we start with the setup, I just want to remind you to make sure that all games you want to play has a controller support or compatible with a third-party controller app, just like some of the games I will show you later on this video. So moving on, here are the things you will need. HDMI cable, a USB Type-C hub, but make sure it has HDMI output port and a PD so you can able to plug your phone while you are playing. Then your controller, an optional smartphone stand, and of course your smartphone. You might want to use mouse and keyboard as long as the game supports it. The setup is just as simple as plugging in the USB-C hub to your phone, the HDMI cable to the USB hub, and the other end to the TV. And by the way, please remember, I am connecting my controller via Bluetooth as it will have a lot of issues connecting it as wired. So moving on, the phone will automatically appear on the TV upon plugging it in. As you are seeing now, the controller is working already from the menu. I have already set this up before for Mobile Legends, which doesn't have controller support and needed a third-party application. If you missed to see that video, please find the link on top of the screen, and I have also put a link at the end of this video. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you the sample games I am talking about. First will be the Mobile Legends and Free Fire, which are set up with a separate controller app, followed by Call of Duty Mobile, Roblox, Asphalt, and Fortnite, which have already controller support. So without any delay, let's get into it.
Test Alpha is online.
First blood.
We're not weapons. We're also humans.
An enemy has been slain.
Alpha is not my name, but only a code.
An enemy has been slain.
Why must people hurt each other?
You have been slain.
objectives. We're capturing B. We lost the lead.
Sniper! Cover me, reloading!
We're being dominated. Take those positions. We lost Alpha. We're capturing C.
Changing mag, cover me.
We're capturing Bravo. We captured C. We're capturing A.
Targets in sight.
UAV recon standing by.
Reloading, cover me.
UAV recon standing by. Hunter killer drone.
In my opinion, this is really cool. Even without a PC or console, you just need to provide a compatible controller and you are good to go. You will not spend that whole gaming peripherals like those with big boxes. That's all for today. Please leave a like if you like this video, and please let me know in the comment section if you don't. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.